Welcome students to session number 50 of chapter number 3, Motion in a Straight Line. We are conducting revision session today and we have discussed all the topics already before. Now today we are going to discuss two important topics. The very first topic that we do have, that is kinematics equation for kinematics equations for uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion. This is our first topic that has been already discussed into the regular session. Today I am going to do revision for that. There are three equations. Can you tell me the first equation? First equation is relationship between initial velocity, final velocity and time period. Which is that equation? Very good. That is V is equal to U plus AT. Clear? Where V is equal to what? Final velocity. What is U? Initial velocity. Yes or no? And T is your time. Time taken. Till this clear? The second equation shows relationship between distance covered, time taken. Distance covered, time taken. Second equation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Distance S, time taken T. Showing relationship between distance taken, distance covered and time taken. So for S is nothing but what? Distance covered. S is nothing but distance covered, and A is acceleration. A is your acceleration. Till this clear? The third equation that shows relationship between distance and velocity. Distance and velocity, we do have third equation with us, that is v square minus u square, that is 2as. This is distance and this is velocity. So this is the relationship between distance and velocity, you can say, where again you know v is final, u is initial and s is distance covered. Hope it is clear perfectly? Fine. Now another topic we are going to study today, that is stopping distance. That is stopping distance. Now, what do you mean by exactly stopping distance? As you already know what exactly stopping distance means. Stopping, the word stopping itself decides. Stopping. When you apply brakes to the vehicle, what happens? The vehicle used to cover some certain distance before it comes to rest. You will able to notice that the vehicle will cover some distance. On application of brakes before it comes to stop. Clear? When you see, I gave you a practical example over here. When you see a bump on the road, what happens? You slow down your vehicle or apply brake. Yes? What happens? It slowly moves some distances and then comes to rest. Yes or no, if you are not accelerating. So the distance covered by the vehicle on application of brakes before it stops is known as stopping distance. Is this clear? Stopping means the distance covered before it stops on application of brakes. Clear? That is known as stopping distance. So stopping distance I can write as the distance covered by the vehicle. On application of brakes before it stops is called stopping distance. Hope it is clear perfectly. Stopping distance is denoted by symbol, remember, ds. Now we'll derive the equation. We know the equation v square minus u square, that is equal to 2as. Yes or no? Whereas is distance covered here, I will put as ds because distance, stopping distance. What about acceleration? Tell me. Acceleration will be plus a or minus a. Here acceleration is always deceleration or retardation. Why? Because velocity reduces on application of brake. When you apply brake, what happens? Velocity reduces. If velocity reduces, means that acceleration is always deceleration or retardation. So this acceleration is nothing but what? Retardation. This acceleration is nothing but retardation. So instead of a, I'll put what? Minus a. Instead of a, I'll put minus a. So I'll put also on application of brake, the vehicle is going to stop after some time. On application of brake, the vehicle is going to stop after some time. The final velocity is 0. So if I substitute this free value, I am going to get v0 u as such. 2a will be minus a, retardation, and s is ds. So my equation is minus u square is equal to minus 2a ds. This minus minus cut. I am going to get my answer, that is a, that is equal to, or you can say stopping distance radius, that is equal to u square divided by this 2a will come down. So 2a will come down. So my stopping distance equation, that is ds, that is equal to u square by 2a. Till this clear? Remember, stopping distance is directly proportional to the square of the initial velocity. Stopping distance is directly proportional to the square of initial velocity. Hope it is clear perfectly? Fine. Moving to the next topic that we do have, that is uniformly kinematics equation from uniformly accelerated motion, that we are going to see into depth today.